can do it.
Let's do workbook.
Yeah, workbook time.
And I can help.
I need a pencil.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, we can do it.
Hello and welcome. These are pages 36 and 37 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. And today we're doing the Let's Review pages for units 3 and 4. So this side has review stuff, and over on this side, we get to check out part 2 of Chris and Cindy's treasure hunt. All right, first, let's go down and answer these. And it says, unscramble the questions, write the answers. Okay, well, number 1, this was a past tense question from unit 3, and it looked like this. Okay, so with that in mind, let's figure it out. Did he yesterday do what? Should be, what did he do yesterday? Let's write it down. What did he do yesterday? He, and it looks like he's in school, he's writing on a test, and he got an A. So I think we can say he took a test. He took, past tense for take, a test. Done. All right, number 2, this is from the same unit, and I think it was this pattern. And it just says, happened what? So let's just switch these. What happened? What happened? Okay, well, it's a girl, so we'll say she, and I see there's a window that is shattered, so I think she broke a window. She broke a window. And remember that broke is the past tense of break. Next one says, what's today the date? So this one should be, what's the date today? Which is also from unit 2. Okay, and here we have what is, and date is one thing, so we'll say it for the date. We won't say was because here is. So it's the 18th. So I'm right, it's the 18th. Okay, and down to number 4. These two boys are talking in the forest, and so I think this is the question from unit 4, which looked like this. Good, and let's figure it out. Season like you do, which best? So which season do you like best? Right. Which season do you like best? And since there are falling leaves and they're wearing sweatshirts and they're carrying sleeping bags, I think this is fall. So I think one of them, this boy I guess, should say, I like fall the best. Okay, and that's it for part A. Okay, and this is part B, and part B is about you. So it says, write about you. So what about you? Write. All right, first one. What's the date today? All right, well, I'm gonna put today's date. You might need to change this. And today is May, so it's May 10th. Period. When's your birthday? Okay, you can put your birthday with the month and the day. So, not for me, but for, let's say, Kid Koala, it's on July 1st. Which season do you like best? And I like fall. You can change it to what you like the best. I like fall the best. And part B's done. Let's go check out Chris and Cindy. Okay, this is part C. This is about the Chris and Cindy's treasure hunt part 2 in your student books. So make sure that you read that one more time before you start this. And first of all, in the last part 1, Chris and Cindy started going on a treasure hunt after they got a clue from their Aunt Angie. And that clue brought them all the way to Egypt, to the pyramids. And here they met Uncle Al, and Uncle Al had another clue for them. So in this case, we have 3 words that were part of the new words, and they are waterfall, the Great Pyramid, which is a very big pyramid in Egypt, and kids. So we're just going to write these under the pictures. This one is definitely the Great Pyramid. So let's write it here, and be careful of the big letters, because this is a name. The Great Pyramid. Pyramid. Next, we've got these 2 here, and they are not waterfalls, they are kids. So let's write kids. Kids. Last one, this is a waterfall. So let's write waterfall. Waterfall. Done. Okay, this is part D. It says read, write, and number. So we have to read the part from the student book here. We have to write in the missing words that are over in the word box. And then we just have to write which number it is, so which order. First, next, then, and last. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start at number 1. Just trace that. And then Chris says, Egypt is hot, said Chris. Look, said Cindy. There's the pyramid. What kind of pyramid is it? Well, it's not a hot pyramid. It's a great pyramid. Let's write great with a big G. G-R-E-A-T. And there's Uncle Al with 3 water bottles, said Chris. Okay. And then after that, we had Uncle Al talking to them. So Uncle Al said, hi. He said, hi, kids. Hi, kids. He said, hi, Uncle Al. Do you have our next, Our next what? Our next clue. Do you have our next clue? Asked Cindy. Yes, he said. Here it is. Yes, I do. Okay, and this would be number 2. And the next one, they read the clue. So here's the clue. Clue. Find the waterfall and ride a in front of it. Now, what kind of waterfall was it? It was the biggest, the biggest waterfall. Biggest, and ride a in front of it. What can we ride? Well, we can, or they can, ride a boat. Ride a boat in front of it. And that was number 3. Which means this is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. This clue is, said Cindy. This clue is harder. More hard. This clue is harder. I know, said Chris. I think I know. And done. Wonderful job, everybody.